Hi to all. From today onwards, we are going to start shell scripting. So now, before starting shell scripting, first we know about how shell script works and what is shell scripting, how we are declaring the variables and these concepts and all. So coming to first shell scripting, the Linux shell commands are written in a file and usually with extension called the .sh. Okay, these files we are saying with .sh, and this file which we wrote shell commands. Okay, in this file we are writing shell commands is called the shell script file. Okay, so coming to advantages, it saves a lot of execution time and it avoids almost errors while we are doing the manual process. We are using here for automating the shell. Okay, it's avoid the lot of errors also. So here this is the shebang. This is here hash not slash bin slash bash is a shebang. Okay, shebang will tell to the Linux here this shell script should be executed with shell interrupter. Okay, for this one we are using, so for all shell script files we are using hash and slash bin slash bash. Okay, so coming to so how we are now, we saw the shell scripting, what is shell scripting and how, what is the advantages. Now how we are declaring the variables and what is the variables. Coming to variables are the placeholders of the variables. Okay, we are storing the value and for that we are giving one name, like for example I have the 10, so I am storing the value called the a. Okay, like that. So coming to declaring the variable, this is the format here, so it's up to you. So here variable name equal to variable value. Okay, so this is the format. So I will show you the Linux here. In the Linux how we are saving the files, how we are the saving the shell files, and here I told you, right, for the saving files .sh is the format. Okay, I'll get back to here. So for this one, before I am using the shell scripting files, you should download VS Code editor, Visual Studio Code editor, because it's the best one. So coming to, I will show you previous how to download also. I have already downloaded. Okay, just you can go to the here code.visualstudio.com. okay, so there you can download deb file. Okay, this is the now the size is the 60 MB, it will be vary. Okay, just you can download the deb file and you just run. Okay, for the run you know, right, this is the direct file. I will show you now also for this one second. Here this is the one. So it will, once if you download it, it will come to the downloads. Okay, now I'll show you to the downloads also, in download directory also. Okay, see, this is the one AMD 64 deb. Okay, code, this is the file. So because why, for you installing dpkgi. Okay, the file, which is the file is there, cod. Okay, it will come automatically, right? So I already downloaded. So far now I'm not installing because I have already installed this one. Okay, so now how you are going to open the file. Okay, so file means just you enter code and. Okay, so code and it will open. It will open now. It will take some time. Okay, so it's open. So coming to here, see, I have stored some values already here. So this one is not needed for you. I will create one more file for you. Okay, one second. Okay, shell file, shell scripts here. One second, not needed. New file. Okay, I'm saving. First time, if you first, you can go to this, click on save option. Okay, so there I'm using new variable. Okay, dot, I told you, right, dot sh is the command. Okay, so I'm storing here the shell script directory. Okay, from here you are able to see it is the home size shell scripts, the new variable. Okay, so I told you, right, for first you need to enter shebang. Okay, hash not slash bin slash bash. Okay, this is the shebang. You need to enter must and should for this one first of all. So coming to this one, okay, so like this, I'm storing the values here. For example, a equal to 50. Okay, and coming to this one, this is the one, a equal to 50. So now I want to see the value, like I want to see the value, right? So for this one, I am going to using the command echo a. Okay, for this one, echo dollar a. Okay, this is how you need to save. So just you can go and click on save. So now I need to go back and see from in the terminal how exactly it's working. So get back, I'll here, see this is the one. So I am giving access for that first. Okay, so access coming to means I'm going to back. So where it is in the shell commands, shell scripts. Okay, ls. Okay, see these here is there new variable. So there is a spelling mistake, forget about that one. So for this one I am giving the access. Okay, that means execution access. By default some files there is no execution access. Okay, so I am just giving execution access. The file, what is the file name? Okay, so that's the one. So now I am, for how I need to run dot slash the file name. Enter. See what we stored here, the 50 we are able to see, right? Get back, I'm going to back here. See what we stored here. See echo dollar 50, sorry, a equal to 50. So this is how from here also we are able to see the execution. There is no need to go back to there and check the terminal. Just click on terminal, click on new terminal. Okay, it will open here. So for just you can execute less. Okay, so I'm going back to here. So what's the folder here? cd shell scripts. One second, something happened. Yeah, cd sh shell scripts ls. Okay, so now what we need to execute, just you can execute this one, new variable. Okay, from this one here, shell scripts dot slash, sorry, yes. See from here also you're able to see the value. Okay, so now for example while executing I want to enter the values. Okay, that means entering the values while running. For example, just I want to enter a, so there I need to enter some value. For example, I am going to b, there I need to enter value. So finally I need to see the value. Okay, for that also we are able to execute. So coming to here, this is the one. Okay, so for that one we are using the read. Okay, read a. Okay, so and read b. Okay, so coming to echo, this is the one, echo dollar a. Okay, and dollar b. Okay, I'll tell you, just you can save the file. So come back to here, just execute. So see, it's asking now. Because we didn't give any value for the a, so I'm giving value 10. Okay, again it will ask for b. Okay, because I didn't mention there any value. Okay, just you press enter, it will show you 10 and 50 because this is the value. Okay, like I hope you got clarity now what is shell script and how to declare variables and how to enter the variables while running. Okay, please like my video if you like. Thanks for watching.